Today is Thursday, October 6, 2022, day one of our fall vacation. Our ultimate destination is Sedona, Arizona, and we're going to get there in about a week, really. We're staying, visiting family and friends on the way down in the San Diego area, and then we'll be going to Needles to stay at the Colorado River. Right on the river there, there's an RV park that we're staying at. Can't remember the name. Pirates Cove. And we're excited to see that, see the condition of the river, which could be sort of low. And then we're going on to Sedona. We have some really fun things planned there that will be on this video later. We're going to be doing a pink Jeep tour and the Verde River Canyon Railroad tour and beer festival. So we're really looking forward to that.
Yeah, right now we're pulling into Boulder Creek. We didn't go very far the first day because we got a late start, and we also had to drop our Jeep in storage so that when we return from this trip we could put the Travado into storage and then have a Jeep ready to go home. We do need to store the Travado down in Bishop for the winter. We winterize it and leave it down there. It's just too much snow in Mammoth, and it's not just that we need to be winterized, but I don't really want to dig out a van. So I see them. So anyway, this is Boulder Creek, and oftentimes we will spend the night here when we're coming home so that we can winterize the next day and leave our vehicle in storage after our trips. So we like to use it all year round, but we do need to store it.
It is Friday, October 7th, and we are in Hesperia. We are heading to our Harvest Host destination for tonight, which is Oak Hills Brewery. And as we were driving here, we discovered that they're having an Oktoberfest celebration at the brewery today. And so we're excited to get there, which will be very soon, and see what fun we can have. Oak Hills Brewing Company, right there.
There we are.
Good. All right.
So here we are arriving at our destination, Oak Hills Brewing Company, and we're going to look to see where they want us to park. It's going to be somewhere in their parking lot. There's Oak Hills right there. Here's the parking lot.
Let's just go in there and see what they say.
Yeah, they could tell us to relocate or whatever.
Looks nice.
It does.
Tires and wheels, trucks.
It's far enough away from the 15 and the 395
Yeah,
that we shouldn't
it's
have
okay.
too much noise. Definitely like a lot of breweries in an industrial park. That's fine. I've done that before, many times. So we're at Oak Hills Brewing in Hesperia, California, in the Upper Valley, and this is a Friday night to Harvest Host Day, and it actually turns out to be Oktoberfest. They got an umpah band playing here, and they also have some nice beers. So let me turn this around. So we got sunset going on to our west. And here's our Travada Park for the night. In front of the place is some beautiful clouds going on over here.